Can you see me
Yes,
properly?
yes, I can see him properly.
Okay.
You are recording video?
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm recording this video. Do you have any problem if I
No,
record
I
this?
don't have. I think you
Okay.
are not making, I make.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. How are you?
Yeah, I'm great. I'm fantastic. What about you?
I am also fine.
Okay, so I want to know about yourself, mister. Where are you from?
I am
And
from
what's
UP district. I am from
okay.
UP district Pratapgarh. And you?
I'm from Ranchi, Jharkhand. Have you heard about Ranchi, Jharkhand?
I don't know.
You don't know where is Ranchi, Jharkhand?
I don't know, sir.
Have you heard about Bihar?
Yes, I know something about Bihar.
Yeah, so before 2000, Jharkhand was part of Bihar, but after 2000, it's a separate state.
Okay.
Yeah. And what's your name? You didn't tell me your name. May I know your good
My
name?
my name is Lucky Nirmal.
Lucky Nirmal.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so do you run a YouTube channel? I think so. You have YouTube
Yes.
channel.
Yes, I run YouTube channel. My YouTube channel name is Learn English with Lucky.
English with Lucky.
Yes.
Okay, so what type of content do you upload on your YouTube channel?
I I upload video like video, talking video, and uses like us.
Okay, and how many subscriber do you have?
I have 107.
107 subscriber you have. When
Yes,
did you
yes.
start your YouTube journey? When did you start your YouTube journey?
I started a YouTube journey at before 7 months.
Okay, you started your YouTube journey before 7 months.
Yes,
And
sir.
how many videos have you uploaded on your YouTube channel?
I didn't see on my YouTube.
Okay, yeah.
And you upload video on YouTube?
Yeah, actually, before yesterday, I created my YouTube channel and I have uploaded
Okay,
2 videos so far.
okay.
Yeah.
How many
So,
videos in
yeah.
your YouTube?
Sorry, what did you say?
How many videos in your YouTube?
I have uploaded only 2 videos, brother, because I created my YouTube channel before yesterday.
Okay. What's
Yeah.
your name?
My name is Muhammad Aslam.
Okay, you didn't tell me.
Yeah, yeah. My name is Muhammad Aslam, and I am from
O-
Jharkhand. So, what do you do
Okay.
for living? What do you do for living? What's your job? What are you doing these
Mm,
days?
I studying these days and I study class 9th.
Class 9th. Okay. What's your major subject? What's your major subject?
My major subject is computer.
Computer.
Yes.
Okay. So, like, why did you make your YouTube channel? There was any reason
Because
behind?
because I have many reason. I learned English in my village in
Okay.
coaching one institute name is AGL, means Angrezi Gyan Institute of English Language, and I learned English on there. So I think I have learned English, so we should make video. My big brother suggest me you should make video on YouTube.
Yeah.
Then people watched your video. Then you suggest you make video like us. You speak. So I make video on YouTube.
Yeah, that's good, brother. So, what do you do to enhance your English communication skill? Basically, what's your tactics? What's your method? Which method do you apply to enhance your English communication? May I know?
Yes, I